With this tattoo on my hand, I'm a real magic guy, like Chris Ramsey or Daniel Madison or David Blaine. Wait, no, I don't think David Blaine has a hand tattoo. But anyway, you too can be a real magic guy with this simple card trick that you can learn in under 5 minutes. People will hate how easily you can fool them. Alright, yo, so check this out. For those of you who are curious, by the way, today I'm going to be using the Dune playing cards by Theory 11. To start, I'm going to hand you off the deck, and you can shuffle it up as much as you want. Whether it's a riffle shuffle with a bridge, whether it's like a swivel cut, swing cut, couple of swing cuts, one-handed cut. You got the cut, you can do it, alright? Maybe even an overhand shuffle. Now, here's what's really cool. There's something special, supernatural about the number 13, right? Not 4, number 13. And I'm going to prove it to you. I want you to go ahead and pick out 13 cards from anywhere in this deck. But just to speed things up, let's just say 3 cards from the top, 3 cards from the bottom, 3 cards from the center, that's 9, 3 cards from the center here, that's 12, 1 card for good luck from somewhere random, that's 13, okay? As fair as can possibly be. Then you can shuffle up this packet, and then you're gonna spread them out, and then pick 3 cards at random from this packet. Again, I don't know how it could be any more fair. So 1 card here, 1 card here, and 1 last card over here. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip all these cards over. 1, 2, and 3. We have the 5 of clubs, King of spades, and the 9 of spades. We have these cards, and these cards kind of speak to me just because they were based off the number 13. I'm going to make a prediction on what card you're going to select. So I'm going to go to my handy dandy Canis Lupus deck, first deck I ever made, the only deck I ever made, and make a prediction on what card you're going to pick. I'm going to leave this prediction in view the entire time throughout the entirety of this trick, and we'll see what happens. Now, the next thing we have to do is take all these values and deal off cards onto each one of these piles until the value of that pile is 13. Jack is 11, Queen is 12, and King itself is 13. So we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. If we had any of our friends here like Billy, Sue, Jack, Bob, they can do this as well. We have the King of spades. King is already 13. We're going to leave it as is. 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. Now, normally I wouldn't square all these cards up, but just because I need a bit more room on this table, I'm going to square them all up, right? Now we're going to do a bit of math. Let's add up the value of all these cards. So 13 plus 9 is 22, plus 5 is 27. You're absolutely correct. Genius. Let's go ahead and deal off 27 cards. Check it out. Of course, you could do this as well, Billy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. We ended up getting the 4 of diamonds. Now keep in mind, everything, you shuffled up the deck, you gave it the cut, we had the discussion with cuts, the supernatural number 13, you picked 13 cards out of it, 3 cards were left face up from there, then I made a prediction, and then we just dealt off cards at random, added these digits up, these could have been any other cards, and you landed up, or you ended up with the 4 of diamonds. There's one prediction that I made, and that card is also the 4 of diamonds. Boom. What up, crew? It is Magic Monday, and this is your place to learn magic, master your performance, and captivate audiences. The effect I'm sharing with you today is called 13 by Temple Patent. You probably got that from the performance. Truly a simple self-working card trick that anyone can do, and it's all based off the number 13. So before we dive right into the tutorial, make sure you smash that like button, hit subscribe, and get ready to fool all your friends. Now grab your favorite deck, and let's do it. And welcome to the tutorial. So I guess a bit more background info, pretty much like I was saying throughout this whole time. I would rate this at a beginner level just because you can do this right now. Like, there's nothing you need, just a deck of playing cards, and you can do this right now. Caveat, you need 52 playing cards. I did it with 54 while practicing. Does not work. So make sure you have a deck of 52 playing cards and you're all set to go. Starting off with the performance, hand the deck off to the spectator and let them shuffle it up. This gives them some level of control, and it makes them feel better that they've interacted with the cards. So nothing is pre-set up, and the reaction at the end will be a lot more powerful. So once they've set up, once they've shuffled up the deck, you take the deck back, and you want to build kind of a storyline around why you're using the number 13 or why you're doing what you're doing. So a good storyline would be there's something supernatural. There's something magical about the number 13, and I'll prove it to you. So they shuffled up the deck, have them take out 13 cards at random from the deck, just again to make it seem as fair as possible. We'll just take them off the top to make life easy, but again, it doesn't matter where they take it out from, as long as they take out 13 cards. Right, so they take out these cards, have them take this whole packet, shuffle it up, again to really randomize things, spread them all out, and have them pick 3 cards at random. And this is truly anything, they can do anything as long as they're following the basic instructions. So card number 1 picked out, card number 2 picked out, and you can choose to turn them over, choose to not turn them over, whatever you want to do, and card number 3 picked out. As they're doing this, here's the one key thing, the main thing that you need to do. This is the secret behind everything. You're going to take a look and memorize the bottom card of the deck. So as they're doing all this, just take a quick peek at the bottom. Obviously, don't make it obvious like, oh, the 3 of spades. This is my card. Now, just while they're doing this, you can take a quick peek and you're all set to go. You have these 3 cards laid out. Square up the rest of the 10 remaining cards and put them on the bottom of the deck. That's also pretty important. And then move all these cards up. Just, I don't have a whole lot of room, so I move the cards up. And now you want to write down your prediction, but you don't want to just write down, okay, I have a prediction. You can create, again, some storylines saying, I have these 3 cards here, and based off these 3 cards, I'm getting something in my mind, and I think the card that you're thinking of is the card you're thinking of. I have a prediction that I'm gonna make based off of what you said. And you recall you saw the 3 of spades, right? That's what I saw. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yep, I saw the 3 of spades. And then you can write it down on a piece of paper, or you can do what I did where I just literally took another deck because I didn't feel like writing it down on a piece of paper. And you find the 3 of spades. You find the 3 of spades. You find the 3 of spades and put it down on the table. Make sure that no one actually sees this prediction yet. The reveal at the end will make it a lot more powerful. And now you could do what I said in the performance. You want to put cards down on top of these cards until the value gets to 13. So 7, and you can tell that to the spectator. Of course, if you want to maximize reaction and maximize performance, hand the deck to them, have them do it. Maybe you can do the first card yourself. Say 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Again, you're selling into the fact that 13, there's something supernatural about 13. So 13, of course, Jack is 11, Queen is 12, and King is 13 by itself already. So Queen, that's 12, 13, Jack, 11, 12, 13. Now you can leave this as is, or you can pick up all the cards, whatever you want to do. It's completely up to you. But I just like to take all these cards back, put them on the bottom of the deck, then move them off to the side. Then you tell the spectator, let's add up the values of all these cards. 7 plus 12 is 19, plus 11 is 30. Is that correct? Yeah, that is 30. If you want to do a false cut or something, you can definitely do that. Of course, if you're at the beginner level, maybe don't do that in case you mess up. But one of my favorite false cuts right here, I swing cut over about a third of the deck from one hand to the other hand. So already swing cut this over. Hold a break here with my pinky, swing cut another packet over. Keep that held again here. Take the packet in my hand, put that down, put this down, put this down. So up to speed, it looks like this. It looks so real, man. I love this so much. It looks like that, and the deck has not been shifted whatsoever. And now you have someone else. We have our friend Jimmy here again. Deal 30 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. And there we have the 3 of spades. From here, I like to rebuild the story, recap everything that's happened up to this moment, and really drive home everything that's been done, the build up, everything. 3 of spades, and then you slowly reveal your prediction, which is the 3 of spades as well. How funny would it be if this card wasn't 3 of spades? 3 of spades. That's really it, yo. Nice and simple, and you'll blow people away. For some more simple self-working tricks, click on this video right over here. You'll be a full-blown magic guy in no time. As always, a huge shout out to all my Patreon producers. We got 2 new members this week, William Jackson and Jonathan Tauberg. Thank you guys so much. No words. And of course, thank you, love you, see you soon.